Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin and thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and we'll keep bringing the videos. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, look at that. Hey, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do some of the best chicken thighs you'll ever have. I'm going to show you this seasoning that I put on it, and man, this seasoning is so good. I put it on chicken, I put it on pork chops. You got to try this seasoning. It's not precise, you kind of just wing it, but on chicken, you can't beat it. So here's the here's the seasoning. This is what I put: a little bit of red chili powder, almost, I don't know, half a cup or so of brown sugar. Depends on how much meat you're cooking. We're just doing about 8 thighs. Some smoked paprika, some salt, some onion powder, some ground cumin, and garlic pepper, of course. If you don't have garlic pepper, just put some, add pepper, garlic, salt, and you should be good. So here we go. Okay, so I usually just eyeball this. I'll just take a little handful of brown sugar. That's probably about half a cup. It's a little bit heavier. The chicken thighs are fairly good size. Salt, maybe a teaspoon. I'm not a big salt user. Paprika, probably about a teaspoon of paprika. Red chili powder, I would say I'll probably go maybe a half a teaspoon. I like a little bit of spice to it. You can make it hot if you want. Hot's always good. Maybe a half teaspoon of onion powder. Not a whole lot. Maybe a half teaspoon of cumin. And of course, garlic pepper or salt, pepper, and garlic. This I'll put about, probably a teaspoon. Just mix it up real good. Get any clumps out of the brown sugar. And this is ready for your chicken, your pork. I'm telling you, this seasoning right here, this rub, easy to make. You don't have to go out to the store and buy any rubs. It's all done. And it's delicious. Okay, so these chicken thighs, I washed them really well. I'm not putting any binder on them. I'm just going to lay them out here. They're still wet. And the brown sugar and everything will stick on there real well just from it being wet. So I usually put them, turn them upside down. I don't know if you saw my other chicken thigh recipe where I cut off all this fat and excess skin. On this one, I leave it on. This gets nice and crispy and helps make it taste even that much better. Okay. Just do that. Generously apply the rub. Just like that. I'm going to flip them over. Get that fat rolled. The fat skin. So you keep the skin on it. You can trim them up if you want. When I do them like this, I usually just keep the skins on them. The key is this rub. You got to have this rub. Just get them coated real well. Pat it on there. Probably could have made a tiny bit more. This will work. Got a little bit on the excess here. We'll put it on top. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before we put them in the smoker. And all this brown sugar and seasoning will kind of look like it's kind of melted. And oh, it's just so delicious. Okay, into the refrigerator. We'll see you out at the grill. Okay, so we are rolling at 295 right now. It'll get to 300. There's the chicken. Doesn't that look marvelous? They've been in the fridge for 30 minutes. Get them on. Okay, so we're gonna let these roll for 15 minutes. We'll be back out to check them, and we'll probably give them a flip. 15 minutes in. 295. Looking pretty good. Flip these over. Top part of the skin crusted a little bit. Ooh, that's warm in there. Okay, let these go another 15 and check them. It's been another 15. Yeah, they are looking good. Let me get these turned back over. Look at that. Oh. Okay, so after 30 minutes, I do check my pellets. See, there's that divot. It's not too low right now, which is good, but I'm going to move them over anyway so they fall in and I don't run out and have any issues. Remember, if you don't fill this up, you got to keep an eye on it. And these, I think these are the pecan mesquite hickory blend right here. All right, we'll be back. Listen to that. Okay. Okay, these are up in the range. I'm just going to let them go another 5 minutes or so, and then we'll pull them off. Take these off. These took 55 minutes. I let them go an extra 10 just for good measure. You want to get them up there 170, 180. I'm going to get these off, go and tear them up. They're going to be delicious. Got to use that rub. That's the key. These are wonderful. Give them a try. Yeah, what a hit there. 188, 189. These are going to be perfect. That extra 10 minutes just put the icing on the cake. Alright, well, let me get these off and go enjoy them. Now that's a delicious looking bunch of chicken right there. Okay, let's give this chicken a try, man. It looks delicious. Let me just cut a little piece here. Oh man, look at that. It is so good. Perfect. Mmm. Man, you can't beat that rub. Mmm. Mmm. It's just so good. Here, oh, okay, it's a little warm. Check that out. So good. Oh. All right. Thanks for watching. If you're ever going to do chicken thighs, make some of that rub, put it on there, and you will love it. I guarantee it.